Wanna know how to back up your website in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and easy, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com and make sure you are under your site admin. Now, once you're under your site admin, here just simply scroll down a little bit until you see plugins right here. So simply head towards plugins. Now we use a simple and easy plugin to back up your files. So you can just simply type in WordPress backup. So right here you should be seeing all-in-one WP migration backup. So you can just simply select it, and now here you can see it is also free, but it requires upgrade. So if you have not upgraded it, make sure to upgrade and activate it. But if you have already upgraded it, you can just simply download it and activate it. And once the activation is done, there should be under plugins right here, they should be showing your current WP migration. So once that is done, you can just simply select export after selecting that plugin, and you can just simply choose your current website and export it. So after that is done, it should be downloaded to your computer. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.